Anger is a powerful emotion. When it is not controlled, it slowly destroys peace, relationships, and happiness. This is the story of a man who learned this lesson the hard way. There was once a man named Ahmed who lived in a small town. He was hardworking and intelligent, but he had one big weakness: his anger. Even small problems made him furious. When things did not go his way, his voice became loud, his words became harsh, and his mind lost control. Ahmed worked in a local market as a shopkeeper. His shop was in a good location, and many people came to buy from him. In the beginning, customers liked his fair prices, but slowly they started noticing his angry behavior. If a customer asked too many questions, Ahmed would shout. If someone tried to bargain, he became rude. Many customers left his shop with hurt feelings. At home, Ahmed's anger caused even more problems. His wife was kind and patient, but his harsh words often made her silent and sad. His children feared him. They loved their father, but they were afraid to talk to him. The house, which should have been full of warmth and laughter, felt heavy and tense. One day, a poor old man came to Ahmed's shop. He wanted to buy some food but did not have enough money. He politely asked Ahmed for a small discount. Ahmed was already in a bad mood that day. And told him to leave. The old man's eyes filled with tears as he walked away silently. A neighbor saw this and felt hurt by Ahmed's behavior. Later that evening, the neighbor visited Ahmed and said gently, "Brother, anger is closing your heart. Today you hurt an old man who only asked for help." Ahmed felt annoyed and replied angrily, "It's my shop, my rules." That night, Ahmed could not sleep peacefully. The image of the old man kept coming to his mind. Still, his pride did not allow him to accept his mistake. A few days later, something unexpected happened. Ahmed's shop caught fire due to an electrical fault. Many items were destroyed. People from the town came to help him. Among them was the same old man whom Ahmed had insulted. Without saying a word, the old man helped carry water and save what he could. Ahmed was shocked. Tears rolled down his face. He realized how wrong he had been. He remembered all the times his anger had hurt others and how it had brought no peace into his life. After the fire, Ahmed fell sick. During his illness, his family took care of him with love, despite all the pain he had caused them. His wife never complained. His children prayed for him. This made Ahmed feel even more ashamed. One evening, Ahmed asked his wife to sit with him. In a calm voice, he said, "I have lived my life in anger, and it has destroyed the peace of our home. Please forgive me." His wife smiled with tears in her eyes and said, "Peace begins with patience." The next day, Ahmed went to the old man's house and apologized sincerely. The old man forgave him with kindness. That moment changed Ahmed completely. Slowly, Ahmed started controlling his anger. Whenever he felt angry, he remained silent, took deep breaths, and reminded himself of the pain anger had caused him. He became polite with customers. His shop once again filled with people, not just because of good prices, but because of his gentle behavior. At home, laughter returned. His children spoke freely, and his wife felt respected. Ahmed finally understood that anger does not solve problems, it only creates more. From that day on, Ahmed chose patience over anger and peace over pride. His life became happier, lighter, and full of blessings. Moral: anger destroys peace, but patience builds a beautiful life. Thanks for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe.